Want to use your Amex for quick, secure contactless payments with your phone? If linking your card to a digital wallet seems tricky, you're not alone. Today, we're adding your Amex card to Apple Pay or Google Pay in under a minute. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Let's break it down. Adding your card to a digital wallet lets you pay by simply tapping your phone at terminals, and it's more secure because your actual card number isn't shared with merchants. For Apple Pay, use the Wallet app. Open the Wallet app on your iPhone and tap the plus sign in the upper right corner. Follow the prompts to add a card. You can use your camera to scan your Amex card or enter the details manually. For Google Pay, use the app. Open the Google Wallet app on your Android device. Tap Add to Wallet and then Payment Card. Scan your Amex card or enter the details. You may need to verify it via a text or email from Amex. And that leads to my crucial pro tip: verification is instant for most cards. Amex has excellent integration with digital wallets. In most cases, your card will be verified and ready to use within seconds, without needing to call customer service. It's one of the smoothest setups out there. So, just like that, your phone becomes your wallet. Using digital payments goes a long way in convenience and security for your everyday purchases. Now I'm curious, which do you prefer for contactless payments, Apple Pay, Google Pay, or the physical card itself? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments, and subscribe for more clear-cut guides like this one. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.